Are you ready to see pure beauty, a home, new construction with option for 4 levels and up to 5,000 square feet located in Waldorf, Maryland? Well, look no further. I'm going to show that to you right now. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brittany Stinney, a realtor proudly serving the DMV area. Today, I'm in Upper Marlboro to show you this community that's actually going to be built in Waldorf, because again, they don't have a model home yet. So we're going to take a look at that. But before we do that, make sure you turn on your notifications and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any juicy details coming to Waldorf or any other part of the DMV area. And whether you're looking to move in the next 9 days or the next 90 days, go ahead and scroll down below. You'll see our contact information, whether you want to do a call, text, email, or you would like to invite us to a Zoom call. We have so many options for us to get connected to talk about your home goals. So let's stop talking. Let's go ahead and get into this home and see if this property in Waldorf is your next home. All right, so I'm starting off this tour a little different. We're actually starting off on the top floor in this property. We're going to work our way down. So this property actually gives you option for up to 4 levels, John, up to 5,000 square feet. You're going to actually in this neighborhood have 3 different floor plans. So you can choose from this one or 2 of the other ones, and they only have 26 lots available. So if you're interested, you need to move now, because this model home that I'm showing you right now is actually in Upper Marlboro, because they haven't built out the model home in Waldorf yet. And it might not ever be built out, because if they sell out before it can go up, they're just going to sell it. So the time is now. And if you're interested in like this property in Upper Marlboro, hit me up, or even check out my video where I show you the neighborhood in Upper Marlboro. But either way, you're winning by checking out this video. So let me show you this top floor where you have this office. Well, it's a bedroom. They have it set up as an office. You have a full closet right here. Beautiful windows. Like all the bedrooms have windows, and I'm so excited to show you that, because it just, nothing feels tight. And look at this loft area. You can use this as a bedroom, as a game room, study room, lounge room, hideaway from everybody else's room. Whatever works well for you. If you have guests coming over, this can be their own suite, because they literally have a full bath right here. So if this is not enough to pique your interest, let's take a look at the next floor down, where I'm going to show you all the bedrooms. And we'll just keep working our way down, but trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of this. And let me add real quick, the reason I'm starting this off from the top level and being a little quiet is because they're actually having a VIP event today, because these houses are going to sell quickly. So I'm going to talk a little quietly because there's people up here, but let's go check out the house. All right, so here we are on the top floor with your bedrooms. I can't even say the top floor. We're technically on the 3rd floor, because we're going to go up 1 more floor for your bonus floor, right? But I'm starting you off in the laundry room, where you have a ton of space. And then you come over here, you have 1 bedroom with a nice size closet, plenty of natural light pouring in, great ceiling height. Can't go wrong, right? And then what I love about this is that you're connected to your Jack and Jill bathroom. So you're just walking through this one. Your Jack and Jill bathroom has 2 sinks, shower where they have the subway tiling and the beautiful tile floor, and then your toilet, of course. And you walk across in your 2nd bedroom up here on this main level. Again, natural light everywhere. If you follow me for more than 5 seconds, you know I love natural light, and it pours in. And even if it's not enough light, you have recessed lighting all throughout your house. But you have a gorgeous walk-in closet in this one, and again, a bathroom right off the bedroom. And then you just step out. I'm going to save the primary bedroom for last. We're going to walk across the hall. We're going to go into your 3rd bedroom up here. And again, every bedroom actually has like 2 windows, so you're not going to be lacking light in any of your bedrooms. But I love this one too, because it has an ensuite bathroom. So this is great if you have somebody in your family who just needs a little more privacy than others. Honestly, every room has an ensuite bathroom. So you just have the 2 with the Jack and Jill bathroom. And this one has its own ensuite bathroom right in the bedroom. And then you also have a nice walk-in closet. So we're gonna walk across the hall to your primary bedroom that is gonna, oh my gosh. So it's just gorgeous. It is gorgeous. That's the best way I can describe it. Beautiful tray ceiling, the lighting fixtures that they have in here to show you all the potential. You actually have 2 closets. So there's 1 large closet right here, This is a massive closet, y'all. I hadn't actually stepped into this closet yet because it just keeps going. It keeps going. So, women, we already know this is ours, right? So, but you do have a second closet, and I'll let you guys duke out who gets the closet. But you have a second closet across the room, across your sitting rooms. Let's go over there, which I love this little area. And I love how they have it set up where the chairs are facing the window, because this just feels like, I don't know, a good space to have quiet time, get your day right, whatever you need to do. And then you come in here and you have another closet. Definitely a size difference between the two closets, not gonna lie, a huge size difference, but adequate space for anybody, no matter who is living in your household with you. So let's take a look at the primary bathroom. I mean, I love it. The bathtub in itself has me sold. Nice, beautiful floating bathtub overlooking the window. And then you have your shower, toilet, and your two sinks right here, and plenty of counter space. And between your cabinets and your tub, it's just wide. So the layout of this room is really beautiful to me, but let me know your thoughts in the comment. Could this be enough space for you to just feel like you're in a peaceful serenity every time you come home? Okay, before we head downstairs to the main floor, I'm actually not going to talk us through it because there's so many people here previewing the property and taking a look. So we're going to kind of do that a little different, where I'm going to show it to you but not talk you through it in this style. But let's go check it out. I'm going to show you this basement, and again, keep in mind that this is a model home, so they're going to show you all the bells and whistles and upgrades, but it just shows you all the potential. So this basement, you see you have the walkout right here, and nice ceiling height in my opinion. And they have like a wet bar right here, as well as a full bath and a bedroom. Now upstairs, I'm actually not going to talk you through it as much, just because this is a VIP event going on today. I actually just stumbled upon it, but it's been really informative, so I found out more information to help you make this your home. But upstairs, you have space for office, a dining room, a living room, depending on how you want to use the rooms, family room, as well as your beautiful kitchen with doors that take you to outside. Now, in this model, you'll see they have pavers and a nice patio set up. That will not be there in your floor plan, meaning it will be an add-on. But these lots that you see here are a little under 1/4 acre, and this lot that I'm on right now is actually the smallest one in this community, but you can see how gorgeous it is, and it's still a ton of space. So you have outdoor space, indoor space, all your heart's desires, and these floor plans go up to 5,000, actually over 5,000 square feet. Okay, so let's take a look in this bedroom, and it's a nice size. And I love the windows, because usually basements are like dark. This one does not feel dark and dreary at all. Nice closet size. I actually thought they were going to have a door to connect the bathroom, but they don't. I mean, you just walk around the corner. But you have a full bathroom right here, and I'm assuming this is going to be, so this will be storage space and your systems like your HVAC, water pump, and all that. But there's still a good amount of space down here too if you needed to use this for something other than storage. You might be able to squeeze a room in here. You might be able to, and still have storage space. All right, now while I couldn't show you the model home in the community here in Waldorf, I did want to show you what you're getting. So this community, as you can see behind me, is actually already established, but they have these new lots coming about over here. So this is where all the new properties are going to be in this amazing community. There's a whole squad of ducks right here. So they're going to be gone, but you already are in this well-established Waldorf community. There are less than 20 home sites available. I actually think it's more around 14. So you want to make sure you move in quickly, because they're currently slated to have a model home, but if it sells out before then, they will never do it. They'll always have that model home available, the one that we just toured that is in Upper Marlboro. Now, quick reminder too, when you're in Waldorf as opposed to Upper Marlboro, you are now in Charles County. Your neighboring Prince George's County, that southern portion of it, but you're in a different county. So that just gives you some different things to think about, different school district, different amenities, different communities, like totally different vibe, but still very close. So if you want to take advantage of being in southern Prince George's County, you're not far away from that. And you're also not far away from the portion of Crane Highway where there are a ton of shops and stores and grocery stores. There's not like a Whole Foods or a Trader Joe's out here yet, maybe in the future, but there is a Mom's Organic grocery store as well as Giant, Safeway, and all your other grocery stores. So there are so many things to offer here in Waldorf, but just wanted to give you a quick little view of what this community for your new home will look like.